Hello, good morning Sekolah Ciputra big family. Welcome to week 9 of term 2. Here are some highlights in week 9. In high school, there will be full of semester exam for grade 11 and grade 10. For grade 11, the exam will be on Monday, 27th of November until 1st of December. And for grade 10, will be starting on Tuesday, 28th of November until 1st of December. And on Tuesday, 28th of November, there will be university session from Zhejiang University International Business School. And in PYP, there will be parents workshop. It's about pyramid of learning by SS team on Thursday, 30th of November in Borobudur Room at 8 to 9 a.m. And the last will be on Saturday, 2nd of December. There are PSG charity event, Sembako Murah, and also Eco Warrior Working Bee at 8 to 11 a.m. Good luck for high school students and good luck everyone. Bye.